Take a closer look at this Zircon HD55 stud sensor. They're also known as a stud finder, but basically this unit is required to find out what is behind the wall. Whether you have plaster or drywall, you need to know where the 2x4 or the metal stud is located if you want to properly anchor an attachment for a picture or a cabinet. Anything you want to hang on the wall, you need to know how to properly attach it to a good firm backing. I'm going to show you just a couple tips here. You can see that I put some blue painter's tape, which is easily removed from any wall. And what I do is I'm going to turn this unit on. It turns on from the side. It has a button right here. And then also the second feature on this particular unit is it has a StudScan and a DeepScan, which simply means that it goes for anything that's deeper in the wall, or if it's just closer to the surface, which is right behind the drywall. So let's use this thing. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. And then I will press the button in and you can see it coming on. I'm going to move across the wall and you're going to see as we approach the stud in the wall, it tells you right where it's at and it actually lights up. And the purpose of the tape is you can mark it so that you can then continue doing your work to find out if there are any other studs. And studs are typically located every 16-inch on center inside a wall. The most important function of this stud sensor is the ability to sense electrical in the wall. I'm going to turn this on and you will see on the screen when we come across a wire or something electrical in the wall that you have to be careful when putting a nail or screw. Here we go. You can see here the electrical symbol shows up. That means that there is electrical behind this area. I think you guys will really enjoy this stud sensor and I highly recommend it.